Question number 1. Which of the following is the number of neutrons? Here shows the number of neutrons plus protons. This one only protons. This is nucleon number. Proton number. Nucleon number minus proton number gives the number of neutrons. Nucleon number is number of protons plus number of neutrons. Therefore, 121 minus 51 gives 70 is number of neutrons. What is the process by which electrons are released from heated filament? This is a theory. Heated filament. In heated filament, electrons are removed due to thermoionic emission. Due to thermoionic emission. A proton traveling at speed v enters a uniform magnetic field. The proton is coming into the into a uniform magnetic field. The magnetic flux density of the field is 45 millitesla. The force exerted actually they have not given. The force exerted due to the magnetic field should be this one, but it is not given in the question. Force exerted on the proton is 1.35 into 10 to the power of minus 13. Which of the following gives velocity? The equation is force equals BQV. Sin theta comes when the angle is not 90 degrees. Then velocity is equal to force divided by BQ. Force is 1.35 into 10 to the power of minus 13 divided by B, 45 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 45 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3 because millitesla should be converted to Tesla. Multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. This is charge of proton. The answer is this. In this one all correct, but millitesla is not converted to Tesla. In this charge of proton, this is not charge of proton, this is the mass of the conversion of U atomic mass unit to kilogram. This one, last one is similar, like, but look at this 1.66 is there. Then if the student can't find in the data sheet, can't find the mass of proton, sorry, charge of proton, then 1 mark. This answer you may answer this one. Or you have to. Most of the student actually memorize the mass of charge of proton. Memorize means after doing many questions they know. The structure of nucleons can be investigated using high energy electrons. Which of the following is the reason high energies are released? High energies are needed. Structure of nucleons. When finding structure of nucleon, diffraction is observed. To get the short de Broglie equation, to get short de Broglie equation, de Broglie wavelength, sorry, to get short de Broglie wavelength, we need fast electrons, because de Broglie wavelength equals h over mv. When v increases, lambda decreases. When lambda decrease, we can get maximum diffraction. Potential difference is applied because the two parallel metal plates. Potential difference. This side is positive, then the other side is negative. Then you get a uniform field. Uniform field means A is the answer. In parallel plate, between two parallel plates, uniform field is produced. It is given by V over D, but as a fact we know it is a uniform field, then it is the answer A. A pion can decay into two leptons. Which of the following decay is possible? Pi minus means -1. This side -1, the other side also you have -1 charge. The other one is neutrino. Neutrino doesn't have a charge. Charge is conserved, but lepton number. This side we don't have a lepton. The other side we have lepton. Then the lepton number here is 1. Lepton number is for electron lepton number is 1. Neutrino also lepton number is 1. But this side 0. This is wrong. Here pi 0, charge is 0. When you have 0 here, the charge is 0. The other side charge is -1, charge is not conserved, then wrong. This one also wrong because charge is 0 here. The other side charge is positive. Then charge is not conserved in this. Last one, charge is positive 1. Charge is positive. Charge is conserved. Now check the lepton number. Lepton number is 0 here. Here E plus, electron has plus lepton number. E plus means positron. Positron is anti-electron. Positron is anti-electron. This actually this is a tricky question. Electron minus, we put like this. This is the original one. But electron plus is anti-electron, positron. Usually for other particles for down quark, D is the original one, D bar is the anti one. But electrons it is different. E minus is the original one, E plus. This is not E bar actually, E minus. E minus is the original one, E plus is anti-particle. Here, anti-electrons have then -1 lepton number. Lepton number -1. Sorry, earlier I wrote the charge. The lepton number zero here, pi is not a lepton, E plus -1, neutrino, it is not anti, and if it is an anti-neutrino, it is minus, but this is plus 1. Then this side is 0, this side also 0. Potential difference V is connected across capacitor of capacitance C. Charge stored on the capacitor is Q. The capacitor is replaced with 2 capacitors. Then what is the charge here? Q equals CV. When 2 capacitors are connected, here the voltage is V, voltage is same, voltage is same. Then Q equals CV here. Another capacitor, the same voltage, then charge is Q equals CV. Then total charge would be sum of these two. Then double, you have to get the double of that. A magnet is moved away from a coil as shown. Direction of movement is to the left. A current is produced in the coil which creates a magnetic field around the coil. Which row of the table shows the magnetic pole at X and magnetic pole Y? Right. Magnetic field, induced magnetic field sets a current which opposes the process which creates it. That means when this one is moving away, current is set in the coil. This current opposes the process which creates it. That means when the magnet is moving away, current is created. The coil, this creation doesn't like it. Then they try to attract it. When it is going away, try to attract it. When it is coming towards, try to repel. Current is produced due to the process, but it doesn't like the process. Then when it is going away, try to attract. Then this would be north pole, so this south pole. Yeah, the magnet is moving away, then EMF is induced and current is formed. When current flows in the coil will be magnetized. This is decided by the direction of movement of magnetic field, magnet. When S pole is moving away, N pole is formed. When S pole is moving towards, S pole is formed to repel it. Always opposite to the work done by the magnet to form the current. Then X is north, Y is south. A helium atom of mass m and velocity v collides at right angles with the surface as shown. The atom bounces off the surface with the same speed but in the opposite direction. The collision takes time delta t. Which of the following is the mean force acting on the atom during the collision? Force equals change in momentum divided by time. What is the change in momentum? Look at this. The helium atom is coming towards with a velocity v, and the helium atom going away with the same speed but opposite direction. Then we have to write it like minus v, because this one is considered as positive, down one, then the up one should be considered as negative. This is helium. Then change in momentum. change in momentum is final momentum minus initial. Final momentum is m multiplied by minus v. Subtract m multiplied by minus v, subtract mv. Then it is minus 2 mv. Minus 2 mv. Then force is rate of change in momentum. Change in momentum divided by time. Minus 2 mv divided by time t. We know that if the direction changes, momenta will be added. But here the common misconception, common misunderstanding here, the minus sign. But if you correctly substitute the values like this, you get the minus sign. And also, if you consider the direction of force. Direction of force, when the helium nucleus collides on the surface, force is opposite direction to the velocity. The velocity is positive, downward velocity is considered as positive, therefore force is considered as negative. Then force must be negative. But even without considering like this, if you correctly substitute the values, you get the force correctly. The solid line shows the path of an alpha particle as it passes close to gold nucleus. This line, this is the solid line, shows the path of alpha particle. Alpha particle is a positive charge, gold nucleus also positive charge, positive repel, that's why they are this particle, alpha particle is deflected. A second alpha particle with the same kinetic energy approaches the gold nucleus, which dotted line shows a positive path for the second alpha particle. A obviously wrong because it is attracting towards the gold nucleus. B is deflecting, but B is closer to the alpha particle than the original one. Therefore, it should be deflected more than the solid line. The B is wrong. C is closer than the solid line thing. Closer, therefore more deflection. This is correct. This is correct. But why D is wrong? D is not coming directly towards gold nucleus. It should go like, it should deflect. It should deflect like this. More deflection should be there, actually very close, they are very close. The deflection is largest but other direction. Therefore, correct answer is C.